Hey y'all, and welcome to my channel. This is the first video I'm making, and it's a fun little project that I did. It's a card embosser. I figured if I'm going to be having a 3D printing company, then my business cards should have a little bit of texture too. This first project was just a proof of concept to make sure that whenever I push the two pieces together, I could actually make an indentation on the business card. And then I quickly learned that it was pretty difficult to line everything up. So then I went ahead and made an updated version that made everything easier to line up and stamp out. Overall, I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. So here it is. This is the finished product. Like I said, I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. If you liked this project or this video, I'd really appreciate a like or subscribe. And don't forget to follow me on my Instagram and Facebook. And I'll see you guys in the next video.